Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to fix login error in the DoorDash app. So first of all, you have to just check your internet connection that if it is fast or not. If not, then you have to just change the network connection from the Wi-Fi to mobile data, and if you are using the mobile data then you have to just turn it off and then turn it to the Wi-Fi. Doing so your problem may be fixed. If not, then you have to just turn on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 seconds and then again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and then again open your app. This time your problem will be fixed. Moving to the third method, which is to open your Play Store or App Store and search here for your DoorDash app, and then check that if any update is available for your app, then you have to just update it. After updating, your problem may be fixed. Moving to the next method, you have to just restart your device one time. After restarting, your problem may be fixed. If still you are facing the same issue, then you have to just open your mobile settings and then click on the apps management, app settings, and then search here for your DoorDash. Doing so, you have to just tap to open it and then click on the storage and the cache. Basically, you have to just clear the cache of your app. Doing so, your problem may be fixed. Moving to the last and the final solution, you have to just tap and hold on your DoorDash and then uninstall it. After uninstalling, you have to just reinstall it. After installation, your problem will be fixed 100%. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.